My new Automodeler magazine has arrived. I want to go through this with you guys. Get this thing opened up and show you why this magazine is so cool and why I think you'll like it and want to subscribe to it. Automodeler magazine, issue 10. Man, where's the time? 10 issues already. February, March 2026. Digging the cover. Digging that Mustang. Oh, digging the Tri-5. Let's get into this. I'm anxious. Oh, get into it. Good old model roundup. Acme Southern Nationals. If you've never been to that show, you got to go. Put this one on your bucket list. 2026 Southern Acme Nationals. You'll love it. Course table of contents. Flip through this page by page for you. Show you why this magazine is so cool. Something else I like about it, they have really stepped the game up and improved the paper. I'm digging the paper quality on this magazine. Always have some new stuff, typical magazine stuff. You go through this and see what's new each month or every other month, since it's an every other month magazine. Beating the Cold Resin Blues, how to print successfully year-round. Neat little article if you're into 3D printing, which most everyone is now. I'm kind of behind times. I like to support the 3D printers, so I buy off the guys at 3D Print. It's a whole nother rabbit hole I right now do not want to go down, but I imagine someday I will. Speaking of Automodeler magazine, there it is. Go to their website. You can go to the subscribe button and subscribe and get the magazine. Looks like that issue is sold out. There's some other previous issues, but definitely check them out. Go to their website and get hooked up. Oh, I see my name. Look for Automodeler magazine issue reviews on YouTube at Throttle Power and Hobby Dude 007. All right. I didn't think I was going to be in there, but hey, that's cool. Digging it. Digging it. Uh-oh, breaker for the Bandit. You know what that movie is, don't you? My favorite movie of all time, Smokey and the Bandit. Loving it. Alex built that truck. Yep, by Alex. Well, saying Alex wrote the article, but I also know Alex built that truck. Alex, he's a great guy. Love Alex. In fact, I gave him a hard time at the last show we were at, teasing him, saying, Alex, you ain't a truck guy if you don't go to the Mid-America Truck Show. He said, oh, you're killing me, Tim. Don't do that. Anyway, excellent build. If you've ever seen this build in person, I'm sure it tells all about it. Absolutely gorgeous build. I have got to build a Smokey and the Bandit truck since it is my favorite movie. Got to build one. I don't want to miss a page. Have I missed a page? I might have misstepped a page, but that's okay. Read that article. I think you're going to dig it, especially if you like that movie. Build books. Talks about build books. I'll have to sit down and read that, see what it's all about. And something they did in this magazine, they did a top 10. They had a little thing going on all year long, submit your model, and they were going to choose 10 of their favorite models, and that's what they've done here. Picked out some 10 models to choose. We'll see what all they've got. I'm digging on that Tri-5 Chevy. Oh, there's a Tri-5 Chevy, and Jay, you built that Tri-5? Oh my God. Jay is a trip. I love Jay. He is very, very cool. Love Jay. Good job, Jay. You made it in with your Tri-5. And who doesn't like a Tri-5? Even if it is a 6. And the 56 has turned into one of my favorite Tri-5s at the Tri-5 Nationals. But anyway, I'm anxious to sit down and read this, especially since Alex has his truck in there and Jay's got a 6 in there. Very cool. Very cool. Good job, Jay. Digging it, man. Digging it. I love the roundy round cars. That's looking really good. Nice job, Aaron. I like that. Of course, I like drag racing. Oh, Wayne did the snake car. Looking good. Very cool. Neat, neat car. I think I've seen that in person also. Alright, that's looking good. Dig the Mopar. Love the Roadrunner. I'm a Mopar guy. Very cool, very cool. Anxious to sit down and read this. Again, I just opened this up and got all excited and want to share it with you guys and let you know why I think you'll dig this magazine. And I think you should subscribe and support the magazine, support the hobby. Very cool car. I think we've all built one of those. Very nice. There's that Mustang I saw on the cover. Very cool. Loving the Mustang, man. I dig that. Very cool. Very cool. Yep, anxious to sit down and read all this. Let's see, about the judges on judging. So evidently they said how they judged it, or they talked about what they liked. Again, I'll have to sit down and read that. Pretty interesting. Might be able to learn something if you're taking some cars to a model contest, what judges look for. Might be a pretty interesting article to read. All right. Oh, man, that's cool. I like that. I like different stuff. That looks really different. Looks really neat. An airport limo more than a quarter century in the making. So it looks like he scratch built that. Very cool. You can learn about some scratch building. So we put the interior tub together. Neat concept. Neat car. Oh yeah. Shows pictures of building it. Very cool. Looks neat. Adding something in there. Made the license plate a little bit crooked. All them little details add up on a little, I don't want to say beater, but an old car like that. Oh, man. Love the sketch pad in this magazine. If you remember the sketch pad back in the days. Love the sketch pad. Remember when them Camaros were everywhere on the road? Man, where does the time go? A buddy of mine had one of these that was blue with, I think, the silver accent on the bottom. Man, that thing, we were cruising in that all the time, and I just thought I was king guy, man, cruising that Camaro. Very cool. Love the sketch pad. There's been really neat sketch pads in every single magazine, and the sketch pad really inspires me on builds for future builds. But digging the sketch pad. Love the sketch pad section. What's this? When you need a Nanook. Alright. Nice altered. Love an altered. Looks like he used those two kits. I'll have to sit down and read this. This is stuff I like. They show what they use. Grab some inspiration. Grab a little bit of knowledge. Grab a few tips or tricks. It's like a model contest. Model Fiesta 505. I've never heard of that show. Okay. Pretty interesting. Cool. Alright. I like the motorcycle. Looks nice. Good job, Victor. That looks good. Digging that. Carb show. I have been to the carb show. I don't think I went to this one in Dayton, Ohio. I usually go to the carb show every year. I may have went to this one. I'm not sure. Carb show. They always put on a good show in Ohio. Ah, good old Raisin. Mike Garrett entered his Dino Don's Maverick. Love Raisin. If you ever see him at a show, he really likes to build those drag cars. Man, Raisin does a great job on building drag cars. Good job, Raisin. In fact, I did a video on Raisin's builds. You have to go back in my archives and check out his stuff. Neat builder. Neat builder. Tom Dill. We lost Tom Dill. I think it was this year. Tom passed away. He was a great builder. Always enjoyed seeing that Lone Star that he built. That was a neat build. Dale. In fact, I used that for a thumbnail on the carb show, or one of the shows in Dayton, Ohio. Again, I'm not sure if it was this one that I used or a different show. But that's a really neat build too. I always thought that was really cool. Neat concept that he did there. Good job, Dale. I like that. And again, we miss you, Tom. Rest in peace, my friend. Like that 60 Chevy. Oh, the Ozel's looking good. I like that. That's cool. I like the scallops. I dig a mild custom like that. A little shaved, some scallops, looking good. Ah, Vern. Vern made it with his 56 Lincoln. Vern's a great builder. If you ever see Vern at a show, pick him apart on how to paint. One heck of a painter. Vern is probably one of the best painters I have ever seen that does model cars. One heck of a painter. Good job, Vern. Love the Lincoln too. Good job, my friend. 62 looks good. Nice job, Dennis. Don't want to skip a page. Got another show. Looks cool. Good job, Jonathan. I like that, man. Nice detail. I don't want to skip a page. Looking good, looking good. Digging on the IndyCar 63 Novi, like that. Very cool. Some scrapbook, probably from this show. Again, I'll have to get in and read this and see what's going on. Another show, Gem City N&L. Looking good. Speaking of Raisin, I think that's his car again. I'm telling you, he does some nice stuff. Getting the magazine twice with the same car. Man, you know you're a good builder. Cool. Very cool. Check out that 49 Merc. That is a wild custom job. Nice job, Tom. Neat old rat rod. Dan Thomas. There's Vern again. 49 Ford Custom. I'm telling you, man. Vern is where it's at. Especially with his paint jobs. Find Vern at a model contest and pick him apart at the paint job. Tell him I said so. Say, man, I want to know how you painted that. Let me know. He'll tell you. He's a good guy. Loving it. Loving it. 72 Jeep Commando. Talk about building it. Probably tell you how they weathered it. A lot of people ask me about weathering. Pick up a couple tips and tricks right here. Talk about that kit. We still got several pages to go. I think I've skipped a few too. Alright, another kit review, the 64 Comet. I always have kit reviews, model contests. Again, check this mag out, man. If you see it at a local hobby shop, pick it up. Go to their website and subscribe. I love getting this mag in the mail. Love it. Another kit from Atlantis. Atlantis is starting to churn out a lot of cool kits for us. Thank you, Atlantis. You're keeping the hobby alive. We love you, Atlantis. Stranger Things. Have you seen the movie? Or I haven't seen it. The movie or the show Stranger Things. I have not seen it yet. Everyone says I'm crazy. Let me know down below if you've seen Stranger Things and why I should watch it. They're coming out with a lot of Stranger Things vehicles. I was just at the local hobby shop and saw they had I think it's Stranger Things van. Broken Dreams. I have to read that and see what that's all about. Atomic City. Atomic City is a great hobby shop. You have to check them out. Very cool. And that is Automodeler Magazine, issue 10, February, March 2026. Check this mag out, guys. Subscribe. Go to their website. Check it out. I think you'll like it. I love it. Just sharing it with you because it's something I really like. For the love of our hobby, I love Automodeler Magazine. I'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.